Hi, in today's video we are going to see two commands, that is a head and tail. So first we will create a file. So now we want to print the first two lines of this file. So we will just use head followed by hyphen, and we want to print two lines, then two, and then the name of the file. So we are able to print the first two lines. Similarly, if you want to print the bottom two lines or the bottom line, you can use the tail command. If you do not provide any hyphen or any number after the head, then it will take a default value that is up to 10 lines. So whatever you have in your file up to 10 lines, it will get printed. So let me just show you head. See, we are getting all the three lines. So yeah, following the options that head and tail offers, that is -n that we have seen, n is number of lines. Then we have -c. This command can be used when you have a large number of files and you want to filter it out on the basis of bytes. As we don't have large number of files, so we cannot perform it. For tail, we have a number of options. First two are similar to head. Then we have -f, that is to follow the changes in file. Suppose in a project you have a file that is kept changing, so you want to keep a track of the changes, you can use -f. And similarly the -s, that is also used for tracking the file changes. Like you cannot constantly watch the updates, so you can specify a sleep interval after which it looks for the update in the file. So for that the -s is used. Okay, these two commands can be like performed in the, like if you have a large data, so that can be very useful. So yeah, if you want to take a note of it, you can pause the video and take a note. If you find this video was helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.